Right now, somewhere, you just made a different choice. You took the other job. You said yes instead of no. And in that world, you don't exist. Not like this. This isn't science fiction. It's a real theory born from a real problem. In 1957, a physicist named Hugh Everett asked a question that made his professors uncomfortable. What if the equations of quantum mechanics were never wrong? What if reality itself was the strange part? Here's the problem he was solving. In quantum physics, particles don't choose one state. They exist in all possible states at once, until you measure them. Then, suddenly, they collapse into just one. But collapse into what exactly? And why does looking change the outcome? For decades, physicists just accepted this. They called it shut up and calculate. Everett refused to shut up. His answer was terrifying in its simplicity. Nothing collapses. Every possible outcome still happens. They just happen in branches of reality that split apart, silently, instantly. Right now, as you listen to this sentence, picture it like this. Every quantum event is a fork in a road no one can see. Every fork creates a new world, a new timeline, a new you. Not a copy, not a simulation, a version of you just as real, just as conscious, walking a path you'll never remember choosing not to take. So where did the other you go? Nowhere. They didn't go anywhere. You did. You split off from them. There is no original. There's no real timeline and a fake one. Every branch is equally real, equally alive, equally convinced it's the only one that matters. This is called the many worlds interpretation. And here's the part that should keep you up tonight. If it's true, it's happening at a scale you cannot comprehend. Not once a day, not once a minute. Every single quantum interaction, every atom, every particle, every decision your neurons make forks reality. Trillions of times every second. You are not living one life. You are the tip of an infinite branching tree. Most of you will never know the others exist. So why don't you feel it? Why does it feel like there's only one you, one now, one line moving forward? Because you can only ever experience the branch you're in. The others don't disappear. You just lose the ability to see them the moment they split. It's not that alternate yous don't exist. It's that existence was never singular to begin with. Every choice you've ever made still exists somewhere. Every version of you is still living it out. So the next time you hesitate over a decision, remember, you're not choosing what happens. You're choosing which world you get to remember being in. If reality can split, what else have we gotten wrong? Subscribe for the next one.